Filmmaker James Fox has a brand new UFO documentary slated for later this year entitled The Program. It's about the United States government potentially having a reverse engineering and crash retrieval UFO program. Well, James just released a brand new clip online from the documentary. So today we're going to take a look at that clip. If you're new to the channel, y'all, and you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button. Put out a new video every day, 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. I do not miss a day, y'all. And please hit that like button, vetters. That really helps out the videos, okay? So thank y'all so much for the support there. And of course, comment down below. What do you think about this new clip from James Fox's documentary, The Program? Let's go, y'all. All right, so he released the clip on Twitter, and it's more of a screen recording, I guess I should say, of the clip. But let's take a look at it. It's quite interesting. Here's a tweet here from James Fox. One more very hard push-to-picture lock for narration with Peter Coyote in 1 week with Lance Mungia on the final push. Let's watch the clip, y'all.
The bit that then stands out is that I asked him what happened next, and he said, we watched it for another minute or two, and then it started to move. And how did it move? Boy, it started to go up, and then it got faster and faster and faster, and disappeared straight up, and just disappeared thousands of feet above. And I said, what sort of noise did it make? And I got the instant answer, it didn't make any noise. And that was the bit where suddenly everything in my head went, wait a minute, I don't know any aircraft that can hover and can maneuver at that kind of speed and doesn't make a noise. That's when I kind of woke up to the whole thing.
That's interesting, right? What event is he talking about? What UFO event is he talking about, right? Some people speculated in the comments. I'll show you. They're talking about the Calvine case, right? And the Calvine case, and that photo is one of the most famous UFO photos ever taken, okay? And I'll show it to you here in just a second. So that's interesting, right? That could be it. I don't know for sure, but other people were saying that in the comments too. So what do y'all think of that? What do y'all think of that clip? Interesting, right? Here, let's look up the Calvine UFO photo, and I'll show it to you. You may have already seen it, right? And you may not. Let's see if this brings it up. There it is. All right, this photo. Do y'all ever remember seeing that photo? Where is it? Oh, yeah, right there. Look at that thing. With clearly a plane underneath, but what the hell is this thing? You know, I've looked at this photo so many times. It's crazy. But I just noticed something right now looking at this photo that I've never noticed before. Just right now. As I was getting ready to explain something to you. Sometimes you only see the photo cropped in around this. Other times you see the whole photo, which includes this, right? The shrubbery coming down, this fence right here, and clearly cloud cover, fog, right? And interestingly enough, this is a different color, right? That's interesting. But this looks like a plane, right? And then you got this thing here. And I was getting ready to say, yeah, I see the size difference, but honestly, I don't know why. My first instinct, I'm not saying that it is this. This looks further in the background. This looks way more up close, which would prospectively make it seem bigger than this plane in the back, right? Honestly, it's the amount of detail that the photo has. That this has that the plane doesn't. Even though the plane is that small, it would still have some of this same detail that the plane does, and it doesn't. It's because it's closer to the camera, more in focus, in my opinion. And perspective shooting is used in filmmaking all the time. You know, what is this thing? I don't know. Another thing, and I'm just thinking here out loud, okay? I don't know. I was going to say, what if this is the ground? We're thinking it's up in the sky, but what if that's the ground? But then you think, how does the smoke surround it so perfectly? Right? I don't know. This is interesting. Look, I admit it's an interesting photo. But I don't know why. Just today looking at it, I thought this seems closer for some reason all of a sudden. Again, I've looked at this a million times. But it is an interesting photo. So I don't know. But you also have witness testimony, right? Because these people clearly took a picture of something that was happening, right? So anyway. And the picture just got released, right? Not too long ago. It had been lost. And who knows? And Nick Pope famously had a picture of this in his office in the UK. When I interviewed him, he told me the story. A big blow-up picture of it, right, in the Ministry of Defense, their UFO office or whatever that they had, that he was a part of. And one day he came in and it was gone. They took it. So, I don't know. Anyway, there you guys go. You saw the video from James Fox and that gentleman. What is he talking about exactly? All right. Is it this Calvine? Guess we'll find out, y'all. All right. We'll see you guys on tomorrow's video. Remember, every day's a gift, y'all.